My name is Alicia Jones. Alicia Jones is Alicia Jones.
Very excited about what she has to share with us. When I first really connected with Alicia, I was shocked on how little I knew about this topic.
Well, yeah, I mean, you and I had a conversation about a month ago, and it inspired me just to be able to come alongside you and hopefully just give you some insight on the athletic side of nutrition. And yeah, if we come together and help some people out.
Mine just came out and I'm super excited about it. So I used a silicone can, and so they're just gonna pop right out. So I'm
How did you all get them?
What was your favorite thing about the cooking class? Could be anything.
The fruit salad.
We're enjoying the process.
Thank you, that was amazing. The girls loved it.
My name is Alicia Jones. I love the Lord, I love my family, and I love to help women grow in confidence through a healthy lifestyle.